Hey there, my friends. Alex here from the Product Options and Customizer app team, ready to show you how to add your first option. Let's dive right in. To get started, let's launch the app by clicking on Apps and selecting Product Options and Customizer. Once you're on the app's landing page, we're all set to create your first option. Picture this. You want to add a cool vinyl sticker option to your HP Envy laptop product. Exciting, isn't it? So, head over to the Options tab and hit that Add Option button. Now, a magical option window will appear, and it's time to fill in the details. First, let's come up with a unique name for the option in the Admin Name field. This will help you find it easily within the app. Next, give your option a catchy name that customers will see on their orders. And of course, don't forget to create a label that will show up on the product page itself. Now, let's choose a display option that will really make those vinyl stickers shine, like the image swatch picker. Here's where the fun begins. Add some awesome images of the stickers and give them unique names. Oh, and don't forget to set a charge of $5 for each sticker. We want to make sure that creativity comes at a small cost, right? Now that your option is created, it's time to add it to your product. Head back to the app's homepage, find your product, and search for the admin name we just created. Add vinyl. Once you've added it, click on View in Store to see the option come to life on your product page. Exciting stuff! You're now well on your way to creating a world of options for your products. Feel free to continue adding more and more options to make your products truly unique. And remember, if you ever need support or have any questions, we're just an email away at support@productcustomizer.com. We're here to make your setup process as smooth as possible. So go ahead and unleash your creativity. Let those options shine and bring joy to your customers.